In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a working discount inside Shopify and a pop-up on your storefront that promotes it clearly to your visitors. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, open discounts, then click Create Discount. You'll be asked to choose a discount type. Amount off products reduces the price of specific products or collections. Buy X, get Y is great for bundles or free gifts. Amount off order applies to the entire cart based on your rules. And free shipping removes shipping costs when conditions are met. Pick the one that best matches your promotion. Next, select whether this is a discount code or an automatic discount. A code requires customers to enter or click a code, which is perfect for marketing campaigns. An automatic discount applies on its own when conditions are met, which is great for a frictionless checkout. Now configure the discount, add a clear title or code you'll reference in your pop-up. Set the value, either a percentage or a fixed amount, and point it at the right products or collections. Define who can use it with customer eligibility, such as everyone or specific groups. If you're running a limited time offer, set start and end dates so it turns on and off automatically. When everything looks good, click save. Your discount is ready to be promoted. To display it as a pop-up, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Add a new section and choose something like Custom Liquid, which lets you insert code from third-party tools. You'll use a pop-up app such as Privy, Klaviyo, Pop-up Smart, or ElfSite. In the app, create a pop-up that includes a promotional image, a short, clear discount message, and an email collection form if you want to build your list. If the app supports it, enable the discount code auto-apply option so customers don't have to type it in. When the pop-up looks right, copy the embed code provided by the app. Back in your Shopify theme editor, paste that code into the custom liquid section you added. Save your changes and preview your store to confirm the pop-up appears as expected and matches your brand style on desktop and mobile. A common setup looks like this. Get 15% off your first order. The customer enters their email, and the discount automatically applies at checkout. This approach helps increase conversions and grow your email list at the same time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.